if you're familiar with this and you want to take it out of the box, you don't really like how the box looks on your counter, before you start, you can just take it out. Recycle your box. All right, you can either place it the way it was oriented in the box with the bottom up, cut your X, or you can pop it on the side and cut an X. When it's on the side, you can leave it upright and you'll get a nice cluster blooming like this. You can also orient it in this direction and start spraying it. And you'll get the nice classic shelf formation, which is how the mushrooms would look if they were growing on a tree out in nature. So this is maybe a little bit more advanced technique, but not very advanced. Give it a shot if you don't like the box. Those are your options.